everyone. So how are you all guys? I hope you people all will be good and I am also good right now. As you can see, I'm doing great and hope you people are learning English language great and great way. So yes guys, this is Sonia and if you are new here, so you are most welcome here. And in this video you're gonna learn, you're gonna see why you fumble while speaking English language and why you get stuck while speaking English language. So if you wanna talk to in English language with anyone with fluency, so this video is especially for you. So keep watching this video till the end. If you are watching this video first time here, so please don't forget subscribe the channel and as well as press the bell icon so that my all upcoming new videos notification you all getting. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started our video. So yes, first I would say guys, if you wanna talk to in English language with fluency, so yes, first thing, if you don't have more vocabulary words, that means if you have simple words, no, it's not necessary to learn initially fancy word, difficult word, long words. It's not necessary. Okay, just if you have simple words, then you can speak English language with simple words and with fluency with anyone. Okay, but yes, you should have to words, right? Because if you want to talk to in English language, so it's necessary that you have more words. Okay, without words, without vocab, you could not speak in English language with fluency. My dear friends, the first thing, you should have more vocabulary words, but it's not necessary to learn difficult words in initially. You can speak English language with simple words. Okay, and second thing is guys, um practice. Practice is a main perfect. So if you don't practice more and more every day, then you can't speak English language fluently. When you will want to speak English language with anyone, then definitely you will stuck, you will fumble while speaking English language because because you don't have practice more and more na. That's why you will not able to speak English language fluently with anyone. Okay, so second thing, practice. The more you practice, the more you will be become fluent English speaker. And if you do practice every day, if you do practice more and more, then you can speak English language with fluency, with confidently and effortlessly. You will be eligible for speaking English language. Okay, and all people are not supernatural, super women, superman. Just all people are simple. Just all people are simple. Who people can speak English language with fluency. They are not supernatural, superwoman, superman as well. Okay, they also are my friends. They also are natural. All people are natural. But yes, who people can speak English language easily, with fluency, with confidently, effortlessly. Who people can speak English language? They all people did more practice. So yes, you can also do it. You can also speak better and better. Just you have to practice more and more every day. You should practice. Okay. So in order to you can speak English language, you can learn English language, or you can speak English language without any fumbling, without any stuck. Okay. So speak English language with simple words initially, and gradually you will learn some fancy words as well, some difficult words as well. Because in only 1 day, 2 days, all thing is not possible to learn. Step by step, you will learn all things. Some people say like it's a very difficult. Not, it's a not difficult. You can learn English language if you pay your valuable time to learn English language only 3 months. Definitely you can learn. Believe me guys. Friends, in this video just I wanted to share with you, definitely obviously guys, if you wanna learn English language, if you wanna talk to in English with fluency, then believe me friends, you can learn, you can speak. And it's not necessary like you will have to speak in a very fast way. No, you can speak, you can slow down English. Just you should have vocabulary words, whether it's simple, whether it's moderate, whether it's difficult, long, you can say, we can say. Okay, just you should have vocab words, whether you speak English simple, whether you speak English language fancy. So yes guys, I'll not take your more time. Just in this video I wanted to share with you for fluent speaking English language. Just you will have to first vocab words and second practice. And guys, just first vocab and second practice for fluent speaking English language. Guys, I'll not take your more time. Just follow these two ways to definitely your fluency will be increased. Just our video is in here now, and we'll meet in the next lecture. And if you didn't subscribe the channel, so please click the subscribe button. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.